If you have a Xiaomi and are looking for a method that doesn't require a PC, this is a video tutorial that doesn't require a PC, so you can solve the problem too. It not only works for this device but also for other models updated to their latest versions. So, what are we going to do now? We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network so you can start this process. Click here. Click here and connect. Now, to begin this recovery, we'll go to where the screen lock appears, where the Google account appears. From there, we'll perform all the necessary recovery steps. We'll be resolving this process from there. For those who want to see other video tutorials, we'll leave links in the video description and in the first pinned comment so you can also find them. Solve the problem and recover your cell phone, as we've indicated, without using a PC. Here we'll see the option where we'll click where it says, "Don't copy." From there, we'll wait for it to appear here. We'll click where it says, "Don't copy." Then it will take us to the lock we're waiting for, and then it will take us to that Google account. We've already left other videos in the comments. You can also leave us a comment if it worked correctly for you, and if it didn't work, maybe something came up that you didn't see here on your phone. Tell us so we can help you. Now, what we're going to do here is go back. We'll click back. Click here. We're going to use a different method. We'll see if this option appears here. This is the last one, this that says Xiaomi.com. You're going to click where it says Xiaomi.com, and we see that it no longer gives us that option. Previously, it did give us the option, but now it does. So what we're going to do now is use a SIM card locked with a PIN code. We're going to use one. The SIM card is locked with a PIN code, and we're going to access it this way. We'll insert it here. It seems a little stiff. Now we'll remove the SIM card. It seems to be having a bit of trouble here. It went in here. It looks like it's ready. Let's pull down the notifications. Let's see if we can access it from here, from the notifications icon. We'll click here on notifications. What are we going to do here? We'll look for the YouTube option to see if it lets us access it. We'll enable it. We'll click here on the application. We'll click on accessibility here. We'll enable this option. We'll click here on settings. Settings, and select the accessibility menu. Okay, we'll click on the assistant. We'll click here. It seems the assistant is letting us enable that function now. Let's try again. We see it's not opening, so what we're going to do is restart the phone. We'll restart it and come back. We'll select it again. Open settings here. Once we're in settings, we'll select the Xiaomi option. What we're going to do is add a Xiaomi account. And we also need a backup. We're going to make a backup. Okay, now that we're here. For the Xiaomi account, we're going to click here where it says Xiaomi account. We'll give it all the permissions. We'll click continue. Now what's going to happen? We're going to scroll down here and click on backup. What you're going to do is make a backup on a completely unlocked phone. You're going to go to this page. We're going to write here, exactly as it appears on the screen. You're going to write it here exactly as it appears, click it. And then click Use 50 here or however you want. You go to these last options, the last one. Then again the last one here you'll find this apps option. Then you're going to look for this application. The one that says APK, install it on your phone. After it's installed, then you get here to make the backup. And you're going to click here on this option. Now you're going to restore that application we have there. You're going to click here. Uncheck here. Click on restore. Go back, come back in, leave it like that until it completes 100%. Let's wait. Well, when it's finished, we're going to do the following. Pay close attention. Here it's finished. Ready. What are we going to do? We're going to click here and we're going to say Google. Google. We're going to wait here. We wait. Now we're going to say let's quickly click here where Google appears. We'll wait here for it to load. We'll click on Google. Next, what are we going to do? You're going to click here. You're going to click here on Settings. You're going to go back. We'll click here. We'll click on Settings. We'll click here on Privacy. We're seeing what we want. Okay, if we see that it's not working, then we're going to write the name of the application. We're going to write the name of the application here exactly as it's written in the application. Here, you'll be able to find it. We're going to write it exactly as it appears here. Write it exactly. We going to as it appears here. I'm going to copy it here. If it doesn't open, I'll try another option. We're going to click it. We're going to wait to see if it opens. So we write open. We write open and paste it. We click it. Again. Okay, if it's not working, what we're going to do is restart the phone and come back again. Now it's restarted. Let's try it again. We're going to write the name of the application. We're going to click it and see if it opens now. As you can see, it opens now. Now we're going to write security here. Here we're going to select this component security option. Now we're going to select the second space. We click here. We click here. We're going to wait here. We're going to wait a few seconds. We wait and now it would take us to this section. We're going to wait. We click on Continue. We select the second option. We click on Continue. We click here on Skip. This would take us to the home screen. Now being here on the home screen, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to wait here. Now we go here to Google. We go here to Google. Now we restart the device. And we wait for the phone to restart. We're going to wait for it to restart. After it restarts, we're going to go back in, and now what we're going to do is remove all the errors that our phone has. We're going to go to Settings, About Phone, or System, and select the Reset option. When it resets, it will be like new.